What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about an opportunity to make passive income online, and we are talking about crypto staking. In especially Wonderland today. There are lots of other platforms where you can stake crypto, but I will show you the Wonderland because I myself have some I'm doing some staking in Wonderland, so that's why I'm showing Wonderland, because I know it the most out of all of them. And yes, so what is crypto staking? Crypto staking means you mostly have to buy a specific token, then which you then can stake. Stake means you're locking this crypto up, so you can't use them anymore. I think most platforms, so in Wonderland it is like that. You can take it out whenever you want. So if you go to stake, you can put in an amount and stake it, and also you have the option to unstake it, and you can do it whenever you want. Another method would be minting, but we're not looking at this today. There the money will be locked up for a minimum of time. I think it's 5 days, but yeah, that's not the topic of today. Yes, staking. You're just locking it up, and you then get in Wonderland's example, it's every 8 hours, and there's a rebase, and then you're getting a reward for that you locked this token up. And the reward in here in Wonderland would be I don't see it, would be 0.6154% every 8 hours. That is a return on investment on a 5-day rate of about 9.6%. That is pretty insane. If you also look here, the APY is 82,600, or maybe also almost 700% in a year. So that is pretty high. So there is a risk involved, and I don't think this will sustain everything that high, because the price of the token is now at around 8,100 US dollars. Maybe the price can go up and down, and also the APY, I don't think it will stay that high, but we will see. But I want to show you why this is not that bad in this case. So for example, you have here in Wonderland, you have the currency time, the token time, and when you stake your time tokens, they will convert into memo tokens. So I at the moment have 0.249 memo tokens staked. That equals at the moment to around little more than 2,000 US dollars. And now you see here the calculator. In 30 days, I should have earned I should have in total 0.43 time tokens, and that equals, with the price of time at the moment, to 3,500 US dollars. And now let's see, if we go to 1 year, my initial investment of around 2,000 would then be nearly 1.7 million dollars. So that would be insane, but we don't know how it's gonna develop. Can everything go down? But let's make an example of the APY going down to, let's say, 90% or so. Let's make it just 8,000%, the APY, not 80,000 but 8,000. And let's say the future price of the token time will go down about to what the backing at the moment is. I saw it before. It's around 1,600. So even if it would go that much down in the APY and in the price of the token, we would still make 31,000 in 1 year with our initial 2,000 investment. That will still be more than anywhere else you would get. Let's say if you have an EFT or something like that, or in a if in a bank account, you will not get anything. But yeah, so I think this is a great passive income opportunity, but I'm not a financial advisor. I just showing the opportunity. There is some risk involved. You have to do your own research. I have done mine about Wonderland, and I don't think that this will be a rock pull or something like that, or a scam. I think it's legit, and you can see several videos on YouTube, the pros and cons, and why or why not this is legit, and make a decision for your own. But as of now, this crypto staking looks very lucrative. So yes, that was it from the video. Maybe show some I don't know how to say, just these values here. So we have the price at the moment is 8,100, nearly $200. The market cap with around $2.7 billion. Then the total value locked. This means what's currently staked or minted. Minted is what we are not logging in today, but it's also an option to make passive income with crypto. So what's locked in the time token at the moment? Then here have the APY, already looked at it. Then you have the treasury balance. This is the bucket which will be paid out to the stakers, so the minters, in the future. And then we have a runway of 417 days. I think this runway means then if Wonderland would stop earning money today, how long can they pay out the stakers or the minters? And that would be around 417 days. So it looks very promising. We have also here the backing per time token is at around 1,500, and the time token itself is also backed by another token which is called MIM, Magic Internet Money, from Abracadabra Money. This is from the same founder of also Wonderland, and this MIM token is coupled. Is this the right word? I don't know. To the US dollar, so one MIM is always $1 worth. Yes, so that was for the video. This is the option I want to show you. If you like such type of content and interested in crypto and making money online, making passive income, subscribe, leave a like, and yes, we'll go on the journey together and see what we can achieve here. So yes, that was the video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.